Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Expo notifications with local scheduling. Quick, to begin, make sure you have a React Native project set up with Expo. First, install the required packages for notifications. Run the command expo install Expo notifications in your project directory. Next, import the necessary modules in your main application file. Import notifications from Expo notifications. Set up the notification handling using notifications.setNotificationHandler. Define a handler for foreground notifications to display them instantly. Request permissions for notifications to ensure users can receive them. Use notifications.requestPermissionsAsync and check the response. Now that permissions are granted, schedule a local notification. Create a function to schedule a notification using notifications.scheduleNotificationAsync. Make sure to include the content and trigger elements in your notification schedule. For content, provide a title and body to display to users. For the trigger, specify when the notification should be displayed. You can set a delay in seconds or schedule the notification for a specific date. To test, call your scheduling function in a button press event or use useEffect for automatic scheduling. Run the project on a physical device or simulator to see the notifications in action. Remember to handle any errors or surprised outcomes in your code to improve user experience. That's it for setting up local notifications with Expo in your React Native application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.